In yet another jaw-dropping moment in the world of hip-hop, the tension between Jim Jones and Camron has escalated to new heights. During a recent appearance on The Breakfast Club show, Jim Jones did not hold back his feelings, boldly stating that he might put hands on Camron the next time he sees him. Jim Jones and Camron, once close friends and collaborators, have been at odds over the past few months. Their issues came to a head last month after Jones appeared on Justin Layboy's show. This statement did not sit well with Camron, who took to his sports talk show, It Is What It Is, to denounce Jones's story in an explosive opening monologue. But the drama didn't stop there. During his Breakfast Club interview, Jones continued to rail against Camron, labeling him a bird, and even suggesting that he would face Cam in the ring for a staggering $10 million. The stakes are higher than ever, and fans are on the edge of their seats, wondering if these two will ever find common ground, or if their feud will continue to spiral out of control.
Don't want no smoke. Tell him he a boxer, right? I'll box his head off. Where's the ring at? You getting money, right? Y'all do sports? 10 million right now. Today, catch a flight wherever you at. In the morning, I'll catch a flight wherever you at. You with Mayweather and them, 10 million. I'll meet you in any boxing ring. Now go make some jokes about that on your next show. I'll box your head off. You know that. Don't play with me. Yeah, now go type about that.
What do you think about Jim Jones's challenge to Camron? Is this a publicity stunt, or are things really that serious? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on hip-hop and celebrity drama. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.